The solar tax credit is one of the most significant incentives available to homeowners looking to transition to solar energy. This financial benefit has helped millions of Americans lower their upfront costs and increase their return on investment when installing solar panels. As the program continues to evolve, understanding its history, eligibility requirements, and future changes is crucial for homeowners considering solar energy. What is the solar tax credit? The investment tax credit, ITC, commonly referred to as the federal solar tax credit, enables homeowners and businesses to reduce their federal tax liability by deducting a percentage of their solar installation expenses. Established to promote renewable energy adoption, this incentive has played a crucial role in driving the expansion of the solar industry across the United States. Unlike a rebate, which provides direct cash savings, the solar tax credit reduces the amount of income tax owed to the federal government. If a homeowner's tax liability is lower than the credit amount, the remaining portion can typically be carried over to future tax years. A brief history of the solar tax credit. The ITC was first established in 2006 as part of the Energy Policy Act. Initially, the credit was set to expire after just 2 years, but due to its success in promoting solar energy adoption, Congress has extended the program multiple times. Since its inception, the solar industry has experienced remarkable growth, with installations increasing by over 10,000% nationwide. The tax credit initially covered 30% of solar installation costs, but it has gradually declined over time. Here's a breakdown of the recent changes. 2020, 26% tax credit for residential and commercial solar systems. 2021, credit reduced to 22%. 2022-2023, credit restored to 30% under the Inflation Reduction Act. 2024-2032, maintained at 30% before scheduled reductions. Unless extended by future legislation, the ITC is set to drop to 26% in 2033 and 22% in 2034 before being phased out for residential installations. How to claim the solar tax credit. To take advantage of the solar tax credit, homeowners must follow a straightforward process when filing their federal income tax returns. Here are the key steps. 1. Install a solar energy system. Ensure the system is installed and operational within the eligible tax year. 2. Obtain IRS Form 5695. This form is used to claim residential energy credits. 3. Calculate your tax credit. Multiply the total cost of the system, including labor and equipment, by the applicable tax credit percentage. 4. File your tax return. Include the completed IRS Form 5695 with your annual tax filing. 5. Carry over any unused credit. If your tax liability is lower than the total credit amount, you may roll over the remaining balance to future tax years. It's important to consult with a tax professional to ensure eligibility and maximize the benefit. Eligibility requirements for the solar tax credit. To qualify for the federal solar tax credit, homeowners must meet specific requirements. The solar energy system must be installed at a primary or secondary residence in the United States. The system must be new, meaning leased or previously owned solar panels do not qualify. The installation must be completed and operational in the designated tax year. The homeowner must own the system outright, either through purchase or financing. Leased systems do not qualify. Additionally, the ITC applies to all associated costs, including solar panels, inverters, mounting equipment, labor costs, and even battery storage systems if they are charged primarily by solar energy. The financial benefits of the solar tax credit. The federal tax credit significantly reduces the initial investment required to install a solar system. For example, a homeowner installing a $20,000 solar system in 2024 can deduct $6,000 from their federal taxes, 30% of the total cost. Beyond the tax credit, solar energy provides long-term savings through lower electricity bills. Most homeowners see a return on their investment within 6 to 10 years, depending on system size, location, and energy usage. State and local incentives. Additional savings opportunities. In addition to the federal tax credit, many states, utilities, and local governments offer incentives that further reduce the cost of going solar. These may include state tax credits. Some states offer their own solar tax credits, which can be combined with the federal ITC. Net metering programs allows homeowners to sell excess electricity back to the grid, reducing monthly energy costs. Rebates and grants. Some states and utility companies provide rebates or grants to offset installation costs. Property tax exemptions. Some states exclude the added value of solar panels from property tax assessments. Sales tax exemptions. Certain states waive sales tax on solar equipment purchases. Homeowners should check with local authorities and utility companies to explore available incentives. The future of the solar tax credit. The future of the ITC remains a topic of discussion as policymakers weigh the importance of renewable energy incentives. While the Inflation Reduction Act extended the tax credit at 30% through 2032, future reductions are scheduled unless Congress intervenes. As solar technology advances and installation costs continue to decline, the industry is expected to maintain steady growth, even as incentives phase out. Homeowners who invest in solar now can lock in the current benefits before future reductions take effect. Overcoming challenges. When going solar. While the financial and environmental benefits of solar energy are clear, homeowners may encounter challenges when transitioning to solar power. Upfront costs. Although the tax credit reduces expenses, initial installation costs can still be high. However, financing options such as solar loans and power purchase agreements, PPAs, can help make solar more accessible. Roof suitability. Not all roofs are ideal for solar panels. Factors such as shading, roof orientation, and structural integrity play a role in system efficiency. Permitting and regulations. Solar installations require permits and approvals, which vary by state and local jurisdiction. Grid interconnection. In some areas, utility companies impose restrictions or fees on homeowners who wish to connect solar systems to the grid. By working with a reputable solar installer, homeowners can navigate these challenges and maximize their solar investment. Our commitment to solar energy excellence. As a trusted solar provider, Solar Panels Columbus is dedicated to helping homeowners transition to clean, renewable energy. With a BBB-accredited A+ rating, we offer top-quality solar solutions backed by industry-leading warranties. We also assist homeowners in working with their insurance providers and offer flexible financing options to make solar more affordable. Our mission is to help as many homeowners as possible take advantage of the federal tax credit and long-term energy savings. Frequently asked questions. 1. Can I claim the solar tax credit if I finance my system?